Hello and welcome to the Crafty Robot. I'm Ross and I wanted to tell you about some workshops we ran last week at the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. They wanted a workshop that tied in with the exhibition they're having at the moment about cars. They wanted it to be for families with kids aged 5 to 12 and they wanted it to include some inclusive design. A lot of the stuff that I work on outside of the Crafty Robot is to do with making things work better for disabled people, and they wanted people to think about that in the workshop. So what we decided to do was to get the kids to build vehicles using the Smartibot and a whole load of different chassis modules that were either laser cut or 3D printed. And we got them to make those vehicles for people or groups of people that were real people that I did interviews with and that we represented with Playmobil figures. I got them to think about the people they were designing for and to do some drawings of vehicles that might work for those people. So then I talked to them a bit about the way that vehicles were propelled, and we talked about the shift from internal combustion to electric, and then we looked at different electric vehicles like a Tesla and a mobility scooter and an electric wheelchair, and we looked at the different ways that they move. And then I got them to build a chassis for their vehicle, and then we got them to build a body on top and attach seats and hold the Playmobil people that they need to move around. And then we got them to drive around this cardboard town that I'd made with laser cut cardboard pieces that were glued together. It was a lot to get done in 2 hours, so it was a bit frantic, but I think the kids were really happy with the outcome at the end, and they were really delighted to be driving their cars around. And it was really nice. A lot of the parents walked up and said how happy they were that we got the kids to think about disabled people and to think about different people's needs and stuff. So in general, I'm quite pleased with it. Throughout the workshop, we kind of iterated on the instructions a bit and on the presentation, and so I'm quite happy with them by the end, I suppose. And so the instructions and the files are all up if you want to repeat or run a workshop a bit like this yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.